sound blending, how to blend certain sounds. And this will really help us in reading to a good extent. So we have a, all right, this is a, e, I, o, and this is o. Sometimes it sounds like u, but o majorly. So we have ba, be, bi, bo, bo. Here we have ka, ke, ki, ko, ko. Here we have fa, fe, fi, fo, fo. Here we have ga, ge, gi, go, go, go. Here we have ha, he, hi, ho, ho. Here we have ja, je, ji, jo, jo. Here we have ka, ke, ki, ko, ko. Here we have la, le, li, lo, lo. Here we have ma, me, mi, mo, mo. Here we have na, ne, ni, no, no. Here we have pa, pe, pi, po, po. Here we have ra, re,